Pranam to all. I hope you are all fine. Floral fragrances are also very effective in reducing body fatigue, body aches, and can boost your overall energy levels. Most of us love putting fragrance flowers in our garden. Today, I will talk about a pre-blooming care of a fragrance flower. I hope you all must have now understood what flower am I be talking about in this video. Parijat or Harsingar flower plant is adored all over India. Because of its unique flowering routine, this plant only flowers during the night time and shed all its flowers once the sunlight falls over it. Previously, we have also uploaded a video about monsoon care of Harsingar plant. That time my mom was doing pinching of the plant to make the plant more bushy. Today is 31st August and my mom did the last pinching in 20th August. Normally, the flowering season of the Harsingar plant is from August till December. But our plant has flowers in October. Remember, the last pinching must be done before the 1 month of the blooming period. Sometimes you may notice that the Parijat plant is not flowering. Parijat plant not flowering is caused by 3 main reasons. First is sunlight. You may give the sunlight too little or too much. As you can see that there is a leaf burning happening in the plant. It is due to the plant getting too much sunlight. This plant only requires light direct sunlight, which is morning sunlight. So, if your plant is placed in a location where it receives direct sunlight all day, consider moving its location. The second point is not feeding it with fertilizer. Parijat is a moderate feeder and requires fertilizer at least twice a month. Right now, I am giving the plant 5 ml of Bioenzyme with 1 liter of water. It acts like a micronutrient as well as acts like a fungicide. We have already uploaded how to make Bioenzyme in our channel. So you can go and watch that video. As this is the blooming period, my mom will give some special fertilizer. Look, after 7 days, the plant has become so healthy. As we always say, before applying any fertilizer on the soil, you must do digging. we are going to give potassium-rich fertilizer which will help the plant to do blooming. Banana peel is the best option in potassium-rich fertilizer. Now my mom is applying kitchen waste compost on this plant. It contains all kind of micronutrients and macronutrient. The third point is watering incorrectly. The biggest threat to Parijat plant is standing water. Before watering, you must check the soil if it's wet or soggy. My mom daily uses rice water while watering the plants. Chinky is enjoying our gardening. I hope this was helpful to you. If you would love to watch videos about Chinky and Chintu, you can go and watch our Bengali channel. It is called Tani Chhoti Bangla blog. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.